Wake the fuck up!
What was that for? Time to rise and shine. But didn't the other two teams lose? Yeah, but we get to relax. Hey, breakfast meal, lunch meal, wake up! What? It's your elimination time.
You always have to look at your vote and see if you're safe or not, just to be sure you're getting a pastry. The game has been played for a long time, and to all the contestants out there, it's time for pastry or get out. We're so glad it pastry or get out. Pastry or get out. Pastry or get out.
Breakfast meal, your group is up first, so you get to decide who you get to vote on. So, breakfast meal, do you want to take one for the team? Yeah, we choose breakfast meal. Yeah, breakfast meal. Anyways, breakfast meal's eliminated. Now, Blue Folly, it's your group's turn to decide who gets to be eliminated. It's most likely to say, lunch meal, you've been going so long in this season, so we're voting you. Yeah, so lunch meal's eliminated, I guess. So, 2 MSM meals just got eliminated in 1 episode. Yeah. Today's challenge is a canoe race. You'll be split into 4 pairs of 4. Which 2 pairs that make it last is up for elimination. Go. So, what do we do with this? We row it across the water. So it's like the song. Yep. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. But I don't have arms. Well, use your legs. Guess what? What? It's boat time. That's a canoe. Actually, it is a boat. Oh, yeah. Anyways, can we go now? Sure. So, we have a red boat here, and we get to ride it. Yeah. I've never ridden a boat before. Anyways, can we go now? Sure. Okay, we get the green boat, and what else? Business green. Stop pointing out green things. We have to focus on the challenge. Yeah, you're right. You guys ready? Yep. Then go. Yeah, we're ahead. But make sure to row faster, because they're catching up. Okay. Get back here. Going too slow. Okay, since SpongeBob and Bluefo's boats went first, they're safe. So that means Shooting Star and Cold Snack's boats are up for elimination. Okay, viewers, check back who'll be eliminated in BFTOI 22.